Yeah, welcome to the Pro Say Hack the Website live stream. They hacked into my website and caused me to lose several days of people calling trying to get in to get stuff done. So what are we going to do about that? Okay, Lo, let's just kind of get on what we got going on right here. So, yeah, they hacked my website, shut me down for a few days. Did the best, and I get to punch them back. So I got to thinking, if I'm going to send somebody a virus like that to jack up all their stuff, and I had the money to make it, a professional hit, I'm going to make sure that I have their traffic routed to my people. Because that's, come on now, that's the shit part of why they do hacking in the first place. Well, it'll slow you down and it'll steal your traffic. Okay, we ain't time to focus on them just yet. But about us, let's take a look at the team. Oh, here's the team. Our team is here to help you. And if they don't have a license to practice law, then they're, I think it's called constructive fraud, fraudulent concealment. They call it a few other things. Oh, well, no attorney has a license to practice law. Under Swear versus the Board of Examiners, the practice of law cannot be licensed. Oh, wait, the state doesn't license them. I don't know, maybe somebody from this group can call me or something, because my research shows that the state doesn't license attorneys. Only the Bar Association, which is an association like a corporation, association, and so they license themselves. Well, we have a license. We have a federal bar card on our website, so we give ourselves a license too. But these guys don't have a license to practice in the first place, and statutes and codes are not valid laws. Oh, wait, you can if you call the Bar Association. I'm sure they're waiting to take your call. Or you just call these guys. Okay, so if the corporation is a business entity engaged in commercial services affecting interstate commerce, and they say they have a license, that the judge makes you leave court when you're smashing them in the face with our stuff because you don't have you got to have a license. Oh, wait. But the Supreme Court said no, there's no. But they're requiring you. Is that fraudulent concealment is a legal doctrine that tolls the statute of limitations.